Welcome again to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install or configure a virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox. So this is the software we are going to use. So if you don't have the software, you can download it from here. It's open source, so it's totally free. You just have to type VirtualBox over here, and the first page you will see this is the official website www.virtualbox.org. Just click over here and it will open the VirtualBox. Believe me, there are a lot of software in the market for the virtualization like VMware and the other thing, but this particular software is really great. I'm using it for few years now and it's offers many kind of features. If you like to know about the software more, let me know in the comment section and I would love to create a separate video for this. So let's click on the download. Over here you can see this is the current version 7.0.2.0 platform packages. You can download it for Windows over here. This is for the Mac OS. This is for the Linux. We are going to download it for the Windows and it will download by default the 64-bit package. So as you can see, it's downloading. So you can download it, but I have already installed it. So I'm going to show you how to create the VirtualBox. So let's open this file. So this is the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. As you can see, I have already configured some of the VirtualBox. Like this is my Kali Linux where I do the penetration testing and ethical hacking, and this is for my another server I'm using over here, a VCDial. So let me show you how we can create. So we are going to add a new, it's saying virtual machine name and operating system. So we are going to put the name. So let's say we are going to install FreePBX. So FreePBX. Okay. This is the folder where your VirtualBox is going to be installed. I will suggest you not to install it on your C drive because it will slow your system. So let's say I'm going to select my C drive. There is the particular folder for all of my virtual machines. We have to just select. Okay, now it will create a folder over there on this name. We can just select it. This is the ISO image stored. So if you are going to install a particular system, you have to select the ISO file from here. So as I mentioned that I'm going to install the FreePBX, so you can select it from here, but I'm not going to select it now. I'm going to select it a bit later. So this is for the type. We are going to install Linux, so we are going to select the Linux. Okay, you can select for Microsoft Windows, okay, and OS X and others. So let's select Linux. Then FreePBX is based on Debian, so we are going to select the Debian 64-bit. Now click on the next. This is the page where we are going to assign the memory. Make sure you have enough memory. I'm going to select 4 GB over here, and this is the processor. As you can see, my computer only has 4 CPU, so I can't allow more than one, but if we have multiple CPU, we can select for the CPU count. So let's say next. This is the page where the virtual hard disk is going to create. So you have to give it a proper storage space. I'm going to give this virtual hard disk the storage of 60 GB, which will be enough, I think. Then create next. This is the summary. You can see all the details. This is the name. This is the machine folder. As you can see, it's already created a folder over here on this path with the same name. This is the memory. This is the processor. Okay, and the disk side. You can see the disk size over here. Let's finish. Okay, the FreePBX is now configured. We have to do some other changes before starting this virtual machine. So let's go to the setting, and you can see all the settings for this particular virtual machine. So you can see the details, you can share the your clipboard, so you can copy. So make sure you selected this, so your virtual machine can copy from your main system and you can copy from your virtual machine too. This is for the description, this encryption if you wanted to. This is the system, all the other details. You can also record the video from here. This is the remote display if you wanted to display this thing on remotely. This is for the storage. So remember, I didn't select the ISO file at the beginning. I'm going to select it from here. You can choose where your ISOs are located. So I'm going to select from here. So once this ISO is selected, now we are going to click on the network. So as you can see, this is the network adapter panel. You can enable multiple network adapter if you want, like you can enable up to 4. I'm going to use only one, and make sure you select the bridge adapter option. So this is the bridge adapter option. What this thing does, that it allow you to use your own computer Ethernet port as a source of your internet. So you can access your virtual machine from your main computer, and your main computer can access the network which your main computer is. So make sure you select this option, bridge adapter. Then you can share a folder if you like. You can create a share folder and then okay. Once this thing is done, you are all set. We are going to start now. So if you click on the start, it's now powering up the virtual machine. So as you can see, it's showing us the process. So this is how you can create your own virtual machine inside of this Oracle VirtualBox. As you can see, the virtual machine is now running. So if you find this video any helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you.